You're looking at the fastest spinning star ever discovered. It's called PSR J1748-2446ad, a neutron star that spins 716 times every single second. To put that in perspective, the average kitchen blender spins at about 300 revolutions per minute. This star spins over 43,000 times per minute, and it's the size of a city if you stood on its surface. Which you can't, by the way. You'd be flung off at over 100,000 kilometers per hour. That's so fast. The edge of the star is moving at nearly a quarter the speed of light. So how does something like this even happen? Neutron stars are the collapsed cores of massive stars. They pack more mass than our sun into a space just 20 kilometers wide, and when they form, they start spinning fast. But this one? It's been spun up by stealing matter from a companion star, like a cosmic vampire. As it feeds, it spins faster. And now it's rotating so quickly, if it spun any faster, it would tear itself apart. Oh, and one more thing, a single teaspoon of this star would weigh 1 billion tons. That's a mountain packed into your spoon. Space doesn't just break the rules, it rewrites them. Please like and subscribe to support our new channel.